Hello, everybody. CJ Compton here. There's nothing yet, but I want to show you the signal here. Here at the Erie Junction. I am at Hoover Road, by the way. We have a yellow signal in the middle, which is going to be... This is a yellow signal for the sighting track here. This might be the same one I just saw at Burroughs Road. But I am going to pause the camera until it gets a little bit closer. So that'll be it for now. Oh, and by the way, we did call in about that burned out gate light. I'm just about a half an hour ago. But anyway, that's all for now. I do hear it coming. But that will be it for now. Okay, I hear it now. It ain't... Really? Already here? Ah! Must be going fast. Or something. Went all the way down this time. Let's see. It's either this one or that it went down for some reason. Usually it goes around that curve first and then it goes down. So this might be... Because I do hear it, but it doesn't sound like it's I'm that close. I do hear it coming though. This might be a malfunction here, but as you can see, there's the burned out gate light again. It went all the way down again too. It did not before. It's currently down again. Oh, not now. I hear it coming, so it's not going to be up for long. Not at all. But anyway, here it comes. Roll it. The first one was a malfunction. Right before the train is coming, too. Here it comes. Roll it. There's another one, too, possibly. I'm not sure. Because it's going to be stopping again, too. But anyway, here it comes. Roll it. Here in Milan, Ohio, by the way. It is currently 8:02 p.m. It's not far at all. I don't want to look and see if I can't see it yet. I can already hear that it's not far at all from what I can hear from the engine. Oh, it's not far. I can tell now. Here it comes. Roll it. I hope it did not stop already. I mean, it could have, I don't know. It's got a approach signal. And that's a yellow signal, by the way. It might have stopped at first. I don't know. It's not far. I know that for a fact. Oh, the crew's off the train. Hold on, I'm gonna have to pause the camera here for now. Well, I'm gonna point the camera away. I don't think this crossing's working right now. It did work just a minute ago. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to pause it here for now. I'm not sure. We'll go over there. Oh, it's working, but knock down the signal, but I don't think I will in this case. Well, maybe I will. It already changed. And it barely even moved. This is the 11Q, and what you saw in video is the I believe it was the brakeman or someone that put flares down here at this crossing. I don't know why. I think it's because we called in about that burned out gate light. I'm not sure. I didn't know this railroad did this. But here it goes onto the sighting track, folks. I think if anything happens here, they have to do something here because this crossing has problems always. I shouldn't say always, but all the time it has issues. I'm talking about it going down and back up all the time. I thought I was about to be videoing a train going across a non-active crossing. Well, I already know they're probably sending someone out in this case. Like right as soon as possible. After seeing this, I believe they are sending someone out right now. because it had to stop here and flag this crossing. Which is very weird for them. I wonder if they have to do this now for some reason. I don't know if the other one will have to do the same thing. It may just crawl through here. But get this, it stopped and it's gonna have to stop again too. That was not me, YouTube. I know I would never do that in the middle of the road. Only the railroad can do this. So when this thing clears, I do not want to walk anywhere near that. Until they at least move it out of the road or something. This is the one I already saw at Burroughs, and it had to flag this crossing down. Weird. It's got red signals up ahead. There it goes, slowing down again. They might have put this here because they thought they heard us say that the crossing wasn't working at all. So they put that down, but we told them that it was a gate light burned out, not anything else. So this is something new for me. It might block this road. Oh no. This is the Norfolk Southern 11Q. And it's about to stop again. This one might block the road, I don't know. Because it's almost to Kelly Junction. Because it's on the siding track. And this one's not as long as the one at Burroughs is, not at all. I see the end of it, but I don't know. I don't think it's gonna make it. I could be wrong. If it does, let's see if it'll make it all the way through this time. It's gonna be very close. Man, I can smell those things from here. I will just say that. What? They put something on the road, look.
It's a flare.
They put 2 of them down. I didn't know this railroad did this. I thought it was this Amtrak or like the Michigan line, but I am not getting anywhere near that. That's all I gotta say until it's moved or something. That's the Norfolk Southern 11Q. I would look to see if I can see the other one, but if I don't get anywhere near that, I might be fine. There's another one too. I don't see the other one yet. Might be another one. That might be why it's stopping here. That one's stopped now. Since the other one is not here yet, I'm going to end this video on this Sunday, May 25th of 2025 from CJ Compton on YouTube. This was a first for me. It looks like that one burned off, but the one is not. The other one has not burned off yet. That one is just about. You can tell it's almost burned off, so. As you can see, that one went out now, so. Or maybe not. Anyway, enough of that. I guess that's it. So let's roll it. Let me look down the tracks before I end this video. See if I can't see anything else. It went back over the main track, so there's something coming now. See, it's back on the main track now, on the switch. That train is stopped. Here's a good look at this one. The other one's not going now, from what I can tell. But anyway, I guess that's it. So let's roll it. I was not expecting this to happen, but something new for me. They may keep doing this every time we report something. I don't know. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and that is it.